Hey everybody, happy March 4th. It's one of my favorite days of the year. It's one of the best holidays because March 4th is the only day on the calendar that's not just a date, it's a sentence. And not just a sentence, it's a command. March 4th. Here we are just a few months after New Year's. I think a lot of you made New Year's resolutions or goals for the new year. I think it's a great time on March 4th day to take a look and see, how are you tracking? How are things going? Are you still moving forward toward your dreams and goals, or have you gotten stuck? You know, what I love too about the idea of marching forth is that, it's not just moving. Marching implies purpose, a decision you've made about something that you need to accomplish, and you are marching toward that. Marching implies direction. You're not just moving away from your old life, but you're moving toward the life of your dreams. The word march implies boldness. You don't tiptoe your way to success or sashay your way there. You march to success. I love the sound of that. Marching also implies teamwork. You look pretty silly marching around by yourself, but there's nothing more disheartening to the enemies of freedom and happiness than the measured cadence of an army marching together. You can choose to celebrate March 4th day however you like. I like to do something that is in keeping with my goals and my objectives that I set for this year. And so this morning I'm teaching a beginner's pickleball clinic for free to some people down at the local YMCA. And I'm certainly not a pro at pickleball, but I'm, I know enough to know the rules and teach other people. And so this checks a couple of my objectives for this year. Number one, getting more exercise. Number two, finding new and creative ways to network with other people and meet new people. And number three, to do things whenever I can to try to be a blessing to other people. And so get out there today, do something that makes a difference, something that moves you forward toward your dreams and your goals. And happy March 4th.